Let's begin with our top focus story. Air pollution concerns are back in Delhi NCR as authorities have enforced stage 1 of the graded response action plan. The air quality index has dropped to 211, placing the region in the poor category already. In response, the Commission for Air Quality Management has activated anti-pollution measures, including mandatory dust control at construction sites and deployment of anti-smog guns. With Diwali around the corner and pollution levels expected to remain high, agencies are on the alert to prevent further deterioration. On Tuesday morning, Delhi's AQI slipped to 201, marking the first instance of poor air quality since June 11th, when the city last recorded an AQI of 245.
It's that time of the year again when the wind gets cold and the air gets dirtier. Over the last few weeks, the AQI in the national capital has remained in the poor category, which has ensured that GRAP 1 measures would now be implemented out here in the national capital, which means that polluting sources such as dust pollution that comes out from construction sites, they will have to take extra care of those dust and make sure that water is continuously sprinkled on them so that the dust pollution does not happen. Apart from this, the manual sweeping of roads have also been shut off, and now only mechanical sweeping of roads can be done. But it is yet again that time when the people of Delhi will now have to run from pillar to post to just get a gasp of fresh air. The AQI over the next few days is likely to deteriorate, and like every season, this season as well, the AQI will remain in the very poor category is what is predicted at this point in time. However, environmental factors and weather conditions are something that will play a very pivotal role, and now it remains to be seen over the next few weeks as winters approach the national capital, how will the AQI behave, and will this year be any different from the last years that the people of Delhi have suffered.
As the toxic smog starts to envelop India, northwest India particularly, especially Delhi, the focus shifts to stubble burning in the neighbouring state of Punjab, which also contributes to worsening of the air quality majorly. However, this harvesting season, the key agricultural staple of battling huge crop losses, in fact, due to monsoon rains as well. So that's something that the farmers are already worrying about, and the number of stubble burning incidents so far have been far less as compared to last year. Let's take a look at this ground report.
Every year as the winter sets in, the attention of the policy makers in the national capital turn to Punjab, one of India's biggest paddy producing states. Why? Because a significant amount of this crop residue is set fire to by the farmers, contributing to stubble burning and the worsening air pollution levels over northwest India. But as you can see behind me, these submerged fields tell a different story. Punjab is fighting a battle of its own. The state was hit by one of the worst floods in a century. The heavy monsoon rains over Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh led to swelling of the rivers Ravi, Beas, Satluj and Ghaggar. The farmers suffered severe damages. Now, according to the government estimate, crops over 3 lakh acres of land was completely destroyed. Several hundred villages were inundated and cattle washed away. As we talk to the farmers, they tell us that they suffered damages not only from the Kharif crops, but also the upcoming Rabi crops because the sowing season is delayed. The vast amount of sand deposited in these fields is yet to be removed. CNN News 18 travelled to some of the worst affected districts in Punjab to tell the story of how they are preparing for this harvesting season. You see these green harvest of paddy. These were the crops, but on the other side of this bandh, you see all these crops have been submerged. All this land has been submerged and the crops devastated. Far away, you see these motor pumps, the solar powered motor pumps, which have also been submerged by the gushing waters of the Beas River, which overflew and swelled during the monsoon season. With all these crops damaged, the farmers are counting their losses.
इस साल जब बाढ़ आई तो ये जो था ये यहाँ तक करीब 10 फीट तक पानी इसमें लग गया, 10 फीट 10-10 फीट पानी था वहाँ। और इसकी सिक्योरिटी हम पूरे 2 महीने से ऊपर हम लोग ने अपने कैंप बनाए, 3 टीमें बनाई और इसकी सिक्योरिटी रात भर, रात भी यहीं रहे और दिन भी यहीं रहे। इसी वजह से ये फसलें बच सकी।
फसल तो चले गई ਜਿਹੜੀ ਜਾਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਸੀ, ਪਰ 4-4 ਫੁੱਟ ਰੇਤ ਪੜ ਗਈ। ਅਗਲੀ ਫਸਲ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਉਮੀਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਈ। ਹੁਣ ਝੋਨਾ ਵੱਢ ਕੇ ਆਲੂ ਲਾਉਣੇ, ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਗੋਭੀ ਲਾਉਣੀ, ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਮਟਰ ਲਾਉਣੇ ਸੀ, ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਲੀ ਫਿਰ ਗਈ, ਬਰਬਾਦੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਆ।
ये रेता काफी कितना भर गया है ये अभी?
ਇਹ 4-4 ਫੁੱਟ ਰੇਤ ਪੜ ਗਿਆ।
तो अभी अगली फसल भी खराब हो।
ਅਗਲੀ 2-3 ਫਸਲਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਡਮ ਬੀਜੀਆਂ ਜਾਣੀਆਂ।
One big question that everybody is wondering now, that this is the stubble burning season. As of now, the number of stubble fires are far too low across Punjab. So how do we see the harvesting go now, and what will be the impact on stubble burning because of the impact on the crops?
In fact, I would rather request the farmers that if the crop has been devastated, that's okay. Whatever grains you are able to harvest, that's your hard work. But if nothing is there, don't burn the straw, because just incorporate it by using different machinery. You have that machinery, farmers have that machinery. Why I'm saying that? Because incorporation of residues would increase the organic carbon content of the soil, which is very much required to stabilize the structure of the soil, which has been disturbed by this floods. So I just request the farmers, don't burn the residues.
Let me now take this across to my colleagues who are joining us. Shrishti Chaudhary is live with us from Punjab, Sangrur, and Sherin Elizabeth is joining us live from the national capital. Shrishti, I'll come to you first. We were just putting out that report of yours. Every year, this debate rages on politically on whether or not stubble burning is a key factor to worsening the air quality in the national capital. This time around, because Punjab has been really badgered because of the floods and the stubble burning has considerably reduced, that factor will be tested. What is it that you learned from the ground?
Good morning, Reha. So yes, the toxic smog that envelops the entire national capital region, in fact northwest India in winter, there are multiple reasons for it: vehicular pollution, industrial pollution, but yes, stubble burning is one of the reasons which leads to a major spike in the air pollution level, especially late October, the first week of November. Now, like you just said, Punjab, which is a major contributor to the stubble burning, has been devastated by floods this time. Now, according to the government estimate, crops spread across 3 lakh acres of land have been completely destroyed. We visited some of the worst impacted villages yesterday across Kapurthala, and there's a large amount of sand still deposited. So the harvesting has not really picked up. We did not really see any stubble burning cases on our way as we traveled across these districts. And the data also suggests, the data for fire counts, at this time the number of fire counts are far too low compared to last year. In fact, I would say that over the last few years, the number of stubble burning cases both in Punjab as well as Haryana have significantly come down, kind of indicating a positive shift that farmers are now moving away to much better alternatives, the in situ management and ex situ management of this stubble. This time additionally, we are witnessing much more impact also because of the floods. We spoke to some of the farmers and they say that their fields are still wet. They have delayed the harvesting because there was unseasonal rains in the first week of October. So all these factors combined will definitely cause some impact, and we are likely to see less stubble burning cases this time. But experts also point out that harvesting will kind of pick up in the last, mid-October and towards the late October end. And luckily, Diwali is also coming much earlier this time, and the temperatures are also low. The Graded Response Action Plan, which has been implemented by the CAQM last night, indicates that they're now preparing for the winter, for the air quality to kind of deteriorate over the coming days. As of now, it's still in the very poor levels, and over the next few days, we see that the temperatures are still going to hover around 31 degrees Celsius. So hopefully, the air quality is likely to be much better compared to last year for this time of the season.
Right, Shushi, thank you so much for that. Sharon, unfortunately, not even the setting of Diwali, we are still looking at another week to go and the air quality is already worsening in the national capital. Shrishti has brought us this report from Punjab. Stubble burning has yet not become a factor and Delhiites are already grappling for air that is not toxic. There's so much of talk around green crackers and everything that needs to be put in place for the festive season, but no respite for the Delhiites.
Absolutely, and this is happening on an annual basis. And like you pointed out, yes, even before the Diwali could in fact happen, we are in fact seeing that the air quality index has now dropped to poor category. There are some of the steps that has of course been taken by the Delhi government. As far as the diesel vehicles are concerned, they are going to limit it, is what we are hearing. Apart from that, there are also sprinkling waters across the national capital to make sure that there is less dust in and around the area in the national capital. So there are a number of steps that the Delhi government is also planning. But also remember, Griha, this is going to be the first time that BJP is in the government, and we have seen always BJP being in the opposition and attacking the Aam Aadmi Party as far as the pollution situation in the national capital is concerned. So this time they are in government. We have to of course see what are the steps that will be taken by the BJP, because unlike a number of times we have seen that the ill preparedness as far as the Delhi government is concerned when it comes to pollution. So will it be different this time? What will be the measures that will be taken? Will the situation be better? All this we'll get to know once the Diwali is over.
Right, thank you so much for that. Sharon and Shrishti for joining us. Reactions continue to pour in. Let's see what the Bharatiya Janata Party is saying about this entire worsening of air quality, considering it is their government in the national capital at the moment. That and the other reactions coming in.
सबसे बड़ा जो दिल्ली सरकार काम कर रही है वो वातावरण बचाने का है। दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी, जहां यमुना जी साफ रहे, जहां दीपावली में कम से कम पोल्यूशन हो, उसके लिए निरंतर काम कर रही हैं। दिल्ली की सरकार ने यह भी आग्रह किया सुप्रीम कोर्ट से कि दिल्ली वाले जो पिछले 8-9 सालों से पटाखे तो चलाते हैं लेकिन इलीगल तौर पर चलाते हैं, वो लीगली तौर पर भी चला पाए 1 घंटा, और ग्रीन क्रैकर भी चले, पोल्यूशन भी ना हो, और दीपावली भी पर्व जो है वो खुशियों से मनाया जा सके।
देखिए, दिल्ली सरकार की प्रतिबद्धता है, हर वर्ग, हर धर्म, हर सेक्शन के लोग अपनी धार्मिक आस्थाओं को खुशी खुशी निर्बाध रूप से दिल्ली में मनाएं। दिल्ली सरकार इसके लिए हर तरीके से प्रतिबद्ध है और दिल्ली की जनता को सुविधाएं पहुंचाने के लिए स्वच्छता के माध्यम से, सफाई के माध्यम से, ट्रैफिक के माध्यम से, पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोलिंग के माध्यम से दिल्ली की जनता की अपेक्षाएं रहती हैं। पटाखे चलाने की, हर चीज़ की सुविधा उपलब्ध कराने के लिए हम प्रतिबद्ध हैं।
पोल्यूशन को ग्रैब बैन बिल्कुल लागू होगा, जिस प्रकार से दिल्ली पिछले 11 सालों के अंदर, और इस मुद्दे को हम उठाते थे, हम बार बार पोल्यूशन की बात करते थे, लेकिन जैसी दिल्ली हमें मिली है उस दिल्ली को ठीक करने में कम से कम 2 साल लगेंगे। अभी तक लगातार बारिश के कारण कितनी सड़कें और गड्ढे थे। पोल्यूशन होता कहां से? गड्ढों से होता है। दिल्ली सरकार ने अपने समय में, उस समय जो पुरानी सरकार थी, काम कर लिया होता तो अपने समय में वो निजात पा सकते थे। और हम जो है अगले वर्ष के अंदर पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल होगा, इसका पूरा अमली जामा तैयार किया हुआ है। और इस बार बारिश भी इतनी आई है, बारिश जो है आती है तो पोल्यूशन को कंट्रोल भी करती है।
It's now